students, in this video we are studying about 11th standard computer science chapter 1 topic input devices and output devices. First one, input devices. There are 13 input devices available in your textbook. Okay, there are 13 input devices available in your textbook. Now we are studying about keyboard and mouse. Okay, keyboard and mouse are input devices. Now we are studying about keyboard and mouse. Keyboard, first one. That what is keyboard? The data and instructions are given as input to the computer by typing on the keyboard. The data and instruction are given as input to the computer. The data and instruction are given input. Data or instructions are input given to the computer by using typing on the keyboard. Okay, different set of keys available in keyboard. There are different set of keys available in keyboard. Alphabet keys A to Z, that's our alphabet keys, number keys, character keys, modifier key, system and GUI key, enter and editing keys, function keys, navigation keys, numeric keypad and lock keys. There are different set of keys available in keyboard. Alphabet key, number key, character key, modifier key, system key, GUI key, enter key and editing key, function key, navigation key, numeric keypad and lock key. Okay, this is the keyboard. Next one, mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is a pointing device used to control the movement of the cursor on the display screen. Mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device used to control the movement of the cursor on the display screen. Used to control the movement of the screen. It is used to control the movement of the screen. It can be used to select icons and menus. It can be used to select any one icons or any menus. Some mouse actions. What are the mouse actions available? Move, click, double click, right click, drag and drop. That's a mouse actions. Okay. Next topic, type of mouse. There are 3 types of mouse. First one, mechanical mouse, optical mouse, laser mouse. So this is the types of mouse. Okay. Mechanical mouse. First one, mechanical mouse. What is the mechanism of mechanical mouse? This is the mechanism. Mechanism means working condition. How to working. Next one, develop and introduction. Who are developed, which company developed and which year developed. Okay. So mechanical mouse, that mechanism is a small ball is kept inside and it touches the pad through a hole and the bottom of the small ball is kept inside and it touches the bottom of the mouse. When the mouse is moved, this is the small ball. Okay. When the mouse is moved, the ball rolls. The mouse is moved, the ball is rolled. This movement of the ball is converted into signals. The movement of the ball is converted into signal and sent to the computer. The movement is converted into signal and sent to the computer. Okay. Who is the developer? Telefunken, German company. Telefunken is the developer. Which company? German company. Year 1968. Okay, this is a mechanical mouse. Next one, optical mouse. Optical mouse mechanism measure the motion and acceleration of pointer. Measure the motion and acceleration. It uses light source instead of ball to judge the motion of the pointer. It used to light source using of ball instead of ball. Okay, light source is here, ball is used here, light source is used. Next, optical mouse has 3 buttons. Optical mouse has 3 buttons. Optical mouse is less sensitive towards surface, less sensitive. Okay. Who is developer in 1988? Richard Leon and Steve Grish independently invented different versions of optical mouse. Richard Leon invented one type of versions. Optical mouse same as optical mouse, but version is different. Steve Grish invented one optical mouse, but version is different. Okay. Next, another one is laser mouse. Laser mouse measure the motion and acceleration of pointer. Okay, same points. Laser mouse uses a laser light. Laser mouse uses a laser light. Laser mouse is highly sensitive and able to work on any hard surface. And laser mouse used any hard surface. Okay, work on any hard surface. So this is the types of mouse. Very important questions. Type of mouse, study very well.